Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best soy milk makers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Soy Milk Makers. Our top choice for a soy milk maker is the Joyoung Automatic Soy Milk Maker. This machine is completely stainless steel and comes with a free soybean package for you to get started with. Plus, with the one-button operation, you can push one button. If you're unsure how to pick the best soy milk maker that will satisfy all your needs and give you the tastiest soy milk in the world. Number 5. Presto Pure IE15 1.9 liter automatic hot soy milk maker. Perfect for nut milk such as almond, cashew, macadamias, Brazil nuts, hazelnut. Filterless grinding for easy cleaning. Main features: dual-layer stainless steel body. 1-year fix or replace guarantee. 7 functions in one machine. Number 4. Joyoung Soy Milk Maker New Model. No filter is needed, by largely grinding the soybeans with the high-speed motor, while it does not mean no residue. With warm function, cool drinks can easily be warm again. Main features: designed for Chinese meals. 1300 ml capacity. 1-year warranty. Number 3. Soy Power G4 Soy Milk Maker Ramen Milk Maker. Advanced temperature and water level sensors for intelligent cooking cycles, with 4th generation internal filter-free design for easy cleaning. Main features: stain resistant and leach proof. Solid state power controls. All stainless steel grinding. Number 2. Soyjoy G4 Plus Soy Milk Maker and Soup Maker. All stainless steel grinding and cooking pot, with perfect grind technology for optimum milk yield. 5 automatic, 1-button functions for fully cooked milk. Main features: solid state power controls. Bottom heating technology. Internal filter-free design. Number 1. Joyoung CTS 2038 Easy Clean Automatic Hot Soy Milk Maker. Computer controlled, automatically preheat, grind and cook on its own at the push of a button. Water diversion technology. Main features: durable stainless steel interior. Microcomputer control. Totally automatic operation. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.